Hello there, it's Hayley from SevereWeatherTV.com with the Severe Weather Outlook for August 26th. What is happening? Eastern Pacific, we've got Hurricane Marie, Tropical Depression Karina. In the Atlantic, Cristobal has reached hurricane status. Talk about those things shortly. In Mexico today, we've got the possibility for strong winds over here, as well as the possibility for strong to very strong rains in a large portion of the country. The United States, who knows what the greens mean? It just means general thunderstorms. We'll talk about the actual severe thunderstorm areas in a bit. In Canada, severe thunderstorm watches up here, severe thunderstorm watches over here, severe thunderstorm warnings here, and this area is a mix of severe thunderstorm warnings and warnings related to heat at this very moment. So here's what's going on. Over here in the Northwest Pacific, this is apparently not a threat anymore. However, some of these things are. We've got former Category 5 Hurricane Marie, now Category 2. So luckily, fairly far away from land, however, still dangerous surf conditions being generated by this storm. Then over in the Atlantic, we've got Cristobal, who is up to hurricane status, and land hazards with that one as well. Rainfall winds, and again with the dangerous surf conditions, because those dangerous surf conditions can reach out quite far away from the storm. There's a satellite view of Cristobal. There is a tropical storm watch in effect at the moment for Bermuda, so depending on how far or how close that thing gets, I'm sure they will be upgrading that in the future, quite possibly. Elsewhere, there's also this thing, Tropical Depression Karina, too far away from land, not a threat at the moment. And then in the Atlantic, 3 different areas of interest. This one, of course, being the most likely based on the coloring, yellow, orange, red, depending on what the percentage is. So 3 different areas, though. So we might be seeing another storm. Was it Dolly, I think, is the next one. If it were to turn into something and become a tropical storm, one of these things could be Tropical Storm Dolly. This thing would probably be the most favorable in the next 5 days, yes. In the United States, here's an overview of the fact that there isn't much of a severe thunderstorm threat for the next few days, given that there are no slight risk areas on any of those maps. Here's what's happening at this very moment. 1 severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Colorado at the moment. 2 special marine warnings up here. In general today, not much of a chance of a tornado. Doesn't mean you couldn't have one, but less than 2% all areas. 5% chance for the 58 mile per hour and greater winds today. And 5% chance for the 1 inch or larger hail. Tomorrow, similar-ish story, at least on the percentage chance, which is just a 5% as of the moment for tomorrow. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.